What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to convert FLV file into MP4 file. Now this is the file right here guys. And check the property and you guys can see right here that this file is an FLV video file. Now I want to convert this FLV file into MP4 file. So what I'm going to use for this process is VideoProc. Now you can look at the link in the description that you can use to download this software guys. Now after you have downloaded this software and install it, what you want to do is to open up VideoProc and then you're gonna go to video. Now once you have go to video, you're gonna locate the file that you have to convert. Now once you have located the file, which is my file right here, so what I want to do is drag and drop this into my software to do the conversion. So to convert this file to MP4 file is pretty easy. As you can see right here, there are a lot of files format that you can choose from. So for the topic of this video, I want to convert my file into MP4. Now if you have not seen your file format that you want to convert it to, you can always click right here to video and you can always see your file format. Now I want to convert this right now to MP4. So I'm going to just click on MP4 right here. Now after you have clicked on MP4, there are some settings in which you can choose also to make your file as the same. So I'm going to go on settings. So what I want to do basically is to keep my frame rate and original so that it doesn't lose quality when I'm converting those files. Also for the aspect ratio, the resolution, I want to keep it as original. The aspect ratio right here, keep it as original. And also the quality, I'm going to turn this up. But bear in mind that this may take a longer time to process because I'm going to render this as high quality. Right? I want to keep the same quality. Or I can keep it as default depending on your choice. So I'm going to click on done right here. Then next you want to choose your output folder so that you can easily find this after you have converted it. Now what I like to do, I like to output it on my desktop so I can easily find it. So I'm going to click on output folder right here. I'm going to browse and I'm going to select my desktop. Then I'm going to run this right here. Now this may take a few minutes or seconds depending on how long your file is to be converted. As you can see, it is now converted and it's basically using my Intel and my CPU. And yes guys, now my file has been now converted and here is my file right now guys, which is in MP4, which is just converted. As you can see right here, when I hover over this, you can see that this file format is now into MP4. I can also go on properties and show you guys that this file format is now in MP4. So guys, that's it. That's how you convert FLV file into MP4 using VideoProc. Now guys, thanks for watching, and I will put some link on the screen that you can check out more of these videos from VideoProc if you're not sure how to convert these type of file. So guys, if this video was helpful, remember to subscribe to this channel for more tech tips like this. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. As always, peace out.